hypoxic region there, and this looks normal. Okay. If you have ventriculomegaly or hydrocephalus, it's mandatory to examine the spine because it may pointed into spine lesion as well. But this lesion is not really a hydrocephalus. Okay, we then proceed into AC. Here, if you lost, you can always track back. Spine is here, turn, take delivery, and then adjust it up and down to get your AC. I'm pressing too much, I think. Yeah. Okay, just let it open a little bit. So probably. Okay, not really a perfect, but it's okay. So let's see.
Sige talaga. Nagdong sa stomach, spine, umbilical vein.
Blank.
Shit,
Again. Just again. You see. Okay. So, anything else? Anybody want to ask anything or want to see anything? Yep.
The BPD correspond to date because in our level the BPD is correspond to date and we go.
Okay. For this patient, BPD is correspond. We will see here BPD equivalent to 28 weeks 2 days, and gestational age is about. Yeah. Acceptable. We try to examine the heart here. Okay, oriented the baby again. This is the spine. Okay, so I cannot approach the heart from here clearly because there will be a shadow from the spine. So what I have to do is go to the opposite side, so I can examine the baby from in front. But the problem sometimes if the baby is lying on this side and my probe on this side, then it's too far. The image may not be clear as well. But we have no choice sometimes. So I go from this side now. Oops. Okay, not really a good view as well. So no choice. Okay, what Dr. Vijay showed you just now is apical view. Sometimes we can't really get an apical view. In this patient, I tried to approach it through lateral view. There we go from down, stomach is there. Just now we say this is right. Okay, this is right side just now, this is left side. So the stomach is on the left side, the aorta is on the left side, the superior vena cava is on the right side. So the abdominal situs is normal. So now we can use this stomach shadow as a reference for our left and right. But before that, we can't. We must make sure that the stomach is really on the left before we make it as a reference. Set. Usually we zoom in. is helping me. Right. Oops, no. Sometimes we just need to wait. But for me, I can see a few normal structure already when the baby is moving here. Just that to show to you, I must have a really good, clear picture. Comparing with the apical view that Dr. Vijay showed just now, the lateral view you can see a muscular wall better. Muscular wall appear more thickened rather than just a line kind of thing when you see the heart is in the apical view. Okay. Like I said yesterday, this view is sometimes very good to assess outflow tract, but not much of four-chamber view. This is right side, so this is left side. Anterior chest is here, apical is here. So this is at the level of supposed to be four-chamber view, but tilted a little bit. So what I do is I use that advantage. This is the right ventricle. If you see a dot here, this is the pulmonary valve, and this is main pulmonary artery, continuous with ductus arteriosus going up here. Baby is turning itself. Probably I increase it and try to demonstrate to you the other way around. Okay, thanks. And the baby turned just now. He give me a favor by giving my view to examine the left outflow tract. This is left ventricle. This is the aortic valve, and come trace a little bit some more. You can see valve is open and closed there. Okay, the white thing just focus here. Okay, valve is open and closed. And the size, and they are crossing each other. In fact, you want to examine it again, put a color there. This is not enough. Okay, the blue one there is aortic, aorta, left outflow tract, ventricular outflow tract, and the red one is right ventricular outflow tract. So you can see it's crossing each other at the origin there. So this type of cases we can confidently say this is no transposition of the great artery. Okay. This is the comparing view. Again, very good to show right outflow tract and left outflow tract. Okay, but to examine the axis, the four chamber is not really perfect in this position. Well, we can get a four chamber here. not perfect. This is the left atrium. Right atrium, oh baby is moving again. Yep. Right ventricle, left ventricle, the mitral valve here, aortic valve here. If I want to focus, see a flip here, is the membrane-like clipping there is a foramen overlay. Okay. The ventricular septum is continuous with the septal lift loop of the mitral valve. So there is no VSD in this case. Okay, I think that's all we can show from this patient. I think the aorta is on the. Okay, this is pulmonary. No, okay, this is pulmonary vein. This is your left atrium just now, and this is the two pulmonary vein that we can see entering inside. If I put a color there,